Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're looking at a 2018 Kia Rio5. Car is black, and that green sticker you see in the upper right at the windshield says the car is qualified under the Kia Certified Pre-Owned program. Check out the features and benefits available when you purchase this Kia Rio with our business manager. As we go down the side of the car, the sign in the window indicates Sirius XM is on, which means you get a 3-month free trial of Sirius XM radio with this car. Inside the car, power windows, locks, and mirrors, some of the controls, and the steering wheel, which has the cruise and audio controls right on the wheel. For safety's sake, you don't have to take your hands off. Little Rio only has 12,356 kilometers on it. Driver's seat is height adjustable. Beautiful black stitching on that on the seats. They are cloth. AM/FM CD radio. Backup camera. Climate control, auxiliary and USB ports, heated cloth front seats, heated steering wheel, and a mode select for driving. Going to the rear seat, plenty of room back here for anyone you choose to carry, your children, some guests, friends, family. The back of the Rio, we open up the hatch, plenty of space back here for carrying groceries, carrying sports equipment, carrying boxes, carrying almost anything. There's also a shelf in there that comes down when you close the hatch so that your goods are hidden from public viewing. And also those seats are a 60-40 split, which means you can fold them down to get even more cargo space. Little Kia Rio5 is located at West Coast Kia. We're just over the bridge in Maple Ridge. Best way to make an informed decision about a car is to actually come down and drive it. Bring the family down, come down. And we're open 9 to 9 Monday to Thursday. 9 to 6 Friday, Saturday, noon to 5 on Sundays. And we'd be happy to take you out and test drive this vehicle.